Hello everyone, welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Soumya Agrawal and you have started watching our weekly highlights. So let's begin. Under the aegis of Ekal Abhiyan, Arogya Foundation of India, a large tree plantation and plant distribution program was organized at the Arogya Gram Chhatarpur Panchayat campus. During this program, 501 plants were distributed after planting trees in the Panchayat campus. On this occasion, Chhatarpur Sarpanch representative Shri Fulchandji Bunkar, Bilwadi Sarpanch representative Shri Rohitaj Sindhu and Bagawas Chaurasi Sarpanch representative Shri Ratan Kumar praised the organization's work and assured every possible assistance. Moving forward to our second news, on the occasion of Guru Purnima under the aegis of Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad, a Guru Purnima Mahotsav was organized at Agrasen Bhavan, Ashok Vihar, Delhi, in the presence of Vedant Shiromani Rashtra Sant Param Pujya Swami Govind Dev Giriji Maharaj. Around 500 people attended this program. The main objective of the program was to promote Ekal and connect people with Ekal. On this occasion, we all received the blessings of our inspirational figure, Sant Shiromani Param Pujya Swami Govind Dev Giriji Maharaj, which filled the hearts of all present with new energy and inspiration.
हम लोगों ने कभी भी वनवासियों की ओर जाने का विचार नहीं किया। भगवान श्री राम की पूजा तो की, लेकिन भगवान श्री राम वनवासियों में घुले मिले और उनके उत्थान के लिए उन्होंने प्रयास किया। चलो विलंब से क्यों न हो, लेकिन हिंदू समाज जागरूक हुआ है और वह एकल विद्यालय के माध्यम से वनवासियों तक पहुंच करके उन्हें अपनी संस्कृति की मध्य धारा में ही रखना चाहता है।
On to our third news, under the aegis of Ekal Shri Hari Satsang Samiti, a cultural program titled Colors of India with Ekal was organized at the RV College Auditorium in JP Nagar, Bangalore. In this program, folk dances from various states such as Rajasthan, Gujarat, Assam, South India, Maharashtra, Jammu and Punjab captivated the audience. The highlight of the program was the Shri Krishna dance drama, which was extremely thrilling. The presentation included scenes of Shri Krishna birth, Putana slaying, Ras Leela, Kansa slaying, Krishna Vidur episode and the final Sudama Krishna reunion, showcasing the selfless friendship that deeply moved all the spectators. On to the fourth news, Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad's North Delhi chapter organized a Van Yatra to the Shamli area of the West Uttar Pradesh region, covering Sant Jhinjhana, Gram Shiksha Mandir Sevapur and Badhev. 6 education-loving donors participated in this journey. The purpose of the Van Yatra was to understand the operational system of Ekal schools functioning in rural areas, observe the school directly and learn about the economic and social changes occurring in the villages through the Ekal schools. During this Van Yatra, all participants observed the Ekal schools firsthand and made efforts to understand their operational system thoroughly. Moving forward to the fifth news, in the Mahakoshal region's Jabalpur area, a grand procession of Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath was organized. The Shri Hari Mandir Rath, provided by donor Shri Sanjeev Arun Tapadia ji from Mumbai, was launched at the Barela Sanch Kendra. This procession started from Bhairav Baba temple and concluded at Dada Tandon Pal temple. In celebration of the month of Sawan, the event featured tablets of Ram Darbar and Baba Bholenath, resonating with chants and creating a devotional atmosphere throughout. On to the last news of the day, the Ekal Future team established a library for orphan children, which includes various types of books and 3 computers. This library was inaugurated by Honorable Madhvendra Singh Ji. During the inauguration, he spoke about the importance of education for children and emphasized that educated youth should advance in the field of national service. He also inspired the children to maintain their health through sports. That's all for weekly highlights this week. Stay tuned and we'll bring you more such updates. Till then, keep watching Ekal Bharat.